Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Factors which affect the renin secretion. So factors affecting. So it includes the stimulatory. So under stimulatory, there is an increase in sympathetic activity. And this is where the renal nerves, an increase in circulatory catecholamines. There is prostaglandins, the sodium depletion, the diuretics, upright posture, the hemorrhage. Next comes the hypertension. Then comes the dehydration, the cardiac failure, the cirrhosis, the constriction of the renal artery and or aorta, the various psychological stimuli. So what is the inhibitory of this renin secretion? It is the increase in sodium and chloride. And it is across the macula densa. Next is increased afferent arterial pressure. Also the angiotensin 2 is inhibitory, and the ADH, that is a vasopressin. So all these are inhibitory. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.